Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we've made a pretty cool decision. We are in this woods kind of thing that we found in our backyard. My house is over there. And we're gonna stay here overnight and see what happens. I'm not gonna be videotaping the whole thing because obviously probably gonna fall asleep, but as soon as we wake up, I'll get the camera back on. I'll start making another video. But this is all going to be one thing. Well, hopefully, if I figure out how to edit. And then, after that, we'll be just playing over here for a couple of days. Not all, like, spending the night or anything. Alright, well, you guys are going to come with me. And we're going to go check this thing out. I've never been in here before. Have you, X?
Yeah, a couple times.
I knew this was here, but I've never been in it.
Water bottle.
Oh crap. It fell. Well, it's not a water bottle, it's an ice bottle. He froze this. It was water. And now it's ice. That's poison ivy. That's not good.
Where's poison ivy?
Don't touch it.
Where is it?
Right there.
Is it poison?
Yes. Poison ivy. How it...
It can bite me.
No. Poison ivy is poison. Touch it. It'll start getting a huge rash. Come on, let's find a good spot. Oh, this is actually really cool. Alright, it's a good spot right here. Where's the hole?
Hole?
Yeah, where'd you find the hole? Oh. Oh, that's a good one. You see that hole right there? Could be a snake hole. Yep, that's not good. This is dangerous. But we got like stabs and stuff. I sharpened this with my knife and now stab people.
I sharpened it with this.
Well, I'm gonna sharpen it with my knife. Like someone comes after me. Watch out, you're dead, you're dead, you're dead, you're dead. Whew. Oh, whoa. There's another part, but it's over the fence. I wonder what that would lead to. Probably another yard. You guys see that? Oh, sure. Let me turn the camera around. Well, I can't do it. You see that? Oh, you can't see anything. Oh, now do you see it?
Okay.
Creepy.
Okay, look at. I can just show him that.
That's alright.
Over the fence.
Oh yeah, there you go. Creepy.
If you drop your phone, I'll just.
Oh, there's a really cool like plank over there. Looks like somebody built it. Let's go check it out.
How?
Just go look over the fence. Duh, how other?
Are we gonna climb it?
No, just look at it.
Gosh.
Oh, oh crap. Spider.
I just found this.
Alright guys, I guess I'll tune into you guys later. And whew, hopefully we survive. Bye.